Okay, boys and girls, here we go. Phase 2 of the mock-up. What I've done is I've taken my Fulcrum operating system mock-up and hacked it about a bit to give you an idea of how the RDS system works. What we have here, let me zoom in a little bit. Here we have a very nifty little device. Now you can buy these from IR Farm Machine, I think they're called. And what it is an RDS adapter, and it's an aluminium adapter plate that goes directly from the servo disc straight to this aluminium adapter with a locking screw that allows me to clamp some piano wire. Now, if I was doing this for real, I would probably use a much heavier gauge wire, but this is actually working quite well even with it the thickness that it is. The key being that you don't make the length too long. Okay, so there you see it. At the back end here you'll see that there's a pocket. Let me try and zoom in without going all strange, which it has. That pocket in this case is two pieces of pro skin. Now normally you'd make this pocket a lot more accurately than this. The distance between the two sheets of pro skin has to be exactly the same thickness as the piano wire that you're using in between, and it must remain constant right the way across its width, otherwise you're going to get a little bit of play in it. Still not too much, so it still works very well. The key point here is that the bend in the piano wire has to be right on the hinge line, and the hinge line in this case, is, if you remember from the from when I used it as the Fulcrum test bed, was right along that black line. So when this rod pivots, that slides in and out, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. And very little torque, very little looseness play in the control surface, but you can see plenty of throw. Now if you use a heavier gauge piano wire, these hinges are not glued in and this box is very weak, so all in all it's not going to provide the most secure system. But if you make those parts, if you glue it all down and make this, what they call the pocket, nice and rigid, this is perfect for very large models. Okay, thanks.